Beeston Castle, located in a small town called Tarporley. It's a relatively easy drive to get to with ample parking, but the parking does cost £3 per vehicle, along with an entrance ticket that is £10 per person. You will have to pay for your entrance ticket in the visitor centre, that is through the massive wooden doors opposite the car park. As you walk the castle grounds, be sure to explore as much as you can, with many of the paths trailing to different areas. You never know what you might find. The towers formed an important part of the castle's defences. From them, archers could shoot arrows across the outer ditches and banks, as there were several gaps to shoot from at different places in the walls. Because of this, they could create crossfire, giving them the best chance of hitting any attackers. Beeston Castle was built by Ranulph de Blundeville, 6th Earl of Chester, in 1220. It became a royal castle in 1237 and it was strengthened by Edward I in 1272, who had the towers raised and crenulated. But by 1543 it was noted as a ruin. Unfortunately, it was partially demolished in 1646 by the Royalists during the Civil War. It then became a popular destination for visitors as a romantic ruin. This property is now in the care of the English Heritage, and this was established in 2010. Atop the hill there is a well to provide the castle's inhabitants with a supply of fresh water. 2 wells were dug into the rock, one of them being 370 feet deep, and this is one of the deepest castle wells in the entirety of England. So here I was on a jolly stroll. Now I know they said there were some caves, but these are quite literal caves. That we can't get in. The English Heritage Guidebook to Beeston Castle refers to the caves in the outer ward as having been known in the 19th century as Beerford's Caves, supposedly named after the local inhabitant who made a living from quarrying the sandstone. The stone was soft, that it could be easily crushed, and the resulting sand was used as an early form of industrial sandblasting for cleaning the hulls of canal boats. Today the caves are an impressive testimony to the work of the Beresford family and the miners who preceded them. The caves are caged and are protected home for several species of bats. Well, that dog's excited. She'd be locked. How cool is that? Looks like some fucking area for Dark Souls. More cave things. Oh, this one goes in. I don't think you can see it, but
Yeah. Just there. Looks like it goes deeper in. Oh. So that wall there has been bricked up. Oh. So it looks like at some point that there used to be a system that would go all the way in. It's been bricked up and sealed. Looks like someone's got it and knocked a brick out. You can see just there. I wonder why they do that. I wonder if people get lost in them. How deep are these caves? They've put the fence there, look. They're fenced off, but really, there's no reason why I'm going to go up there. I can bet you any money someone's climbed down from there and dropped in. That's why they've knocked that brick out. Huh. But I'm not going to do it. So, tough tip.
Archaeologists excavating at Beeston Castle in the 1970s and 80s found post holes dug into the bedrock, the foundations for prehistoric huts. They also discovered Bronze Age objects such as axes and knives. Based on this archaeological evidence, they have reconstructed the prehistoric roundhouse at the site using traditional materials and techniques. Beeston Castle really is a place of marvel. The National Trust does fantastic work keeping these places alive for future generations to see. Being able to walk around, seeing the Archer's Wall, the castle, caves and the roundhouse, this gives you a great opportunity to get a glimpse of how the world once operated. Thanks for watching.